Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited this month for the month of November. Oh my gosh, this year is going by so fast. I have got an Iconbox for you guys. I cannot wait to see what is in here. These are always so much fun and I've really enjoyed every Iconbox. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so for the Iconbox, this is Lisa Vanderpump. I've heard of them, haven't watched their show. I know it's supposed to be surrounded with like a lot of drama, but I don't know if it's something I'd ever watch. But I have heard of them. So, this is going to be her box this month. All right, the first item I see, I'm already so excited. Okay, so the very first item is from Amika. This is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This is so up my alley. I've actually used a couple different products from them and everything I have tried so far, I have loved. And I love the spray on this. This is gonna be really easy to apply. And I'm sure it smells amazing because all the products I have tried so far have smelled amazing. So already starting this box off really good. The next item is from another brand that I love. This is the Origins Ginseng SPF 30 Daily Moisturizer. Love this stuff. This smells so good. I've had this before and I actually quite enjoyed it. Smells amazing. This is going to be put to use right away. The next item we have is from Keys Soul Care. So Alicia Keys' brand. This is the Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum. Interesting. And I have definitely transformed when it comes to skincare. You know, getting up there in age, you realize how important it is. I'm still not at 100% where I should be, doing it every single day. I need to get better about that, but I definitely realize how important it is. And a lot of my skincare has come from like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, which I am so thankful for because I have found some products that I absolutely love. So yeah, so I'm always actually, I didn't used to be excited for skincare when it came to my boxes because I wanted all makeup. But now that I'm in my 40s, 41 to be exact, I'm happy to see it more and more. So this right here says, let's see, visibly improves fine lines and wrinkles both instantly and over time. Both instantly and over time. Okay. Increases skin hydration immediately and over time. So this is actually definitely targeting my skin type, which I appreciate. Let's give this a smell test. Now, if it's got a strong fragrance, I'm not gonna be able to use it. I can't stand a really strong scent on my face. And what was it? Her face stuff, face wash or whatever that I had tried was so strong. I couldn't do it. I know it has a pump on here, but I don't wanna, let's see. Okay, I'm not really picking up on a scent. That's fine with me. Hardly any scent is better than a heavy scent for me. So we will definitely be testing this out. Another item we have is from Dr. Babor. I've never heard of it. This is a Awakening Eye Cream. It says it is 95% naturally derived ingredients, brightens, hydrates, and adds radiance to the eye area with pre and probiotics, ash bark extract, and vitamin B3. Helps to smooth fine lines and conceal dark circles. Sounds like we're going to be adding that to the need to try pile as well. The next item is, I don't know if I've tried this before. I want to say that I have. Maybe I've gotten a trial of this in Ipsy, but I can't remember. It's been so long. So I'm actually really excited that this is in here. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is a smoky eye mascara. Now I love getting mascaras. I love testing out new brands. I tested out something not too long ago. I actually didn't even like it. I have my Pat McGrath mascara on tonight. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it. I have it, but thanks to, you know, Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I wouldn't go out and buy it. It is a little clumpy for me. I do like how deep black it is, but it doesn't do as much for my lashes as others that I have tried. So back to the Bobbi Brown one. I'm excited that this is in here. We're definitely going to give this a try because I love mascaras. This is definitely something I wear every single day. I might not do a full face of makeup anymore or even an eye look, but I definitely will do the lips, highlighter, mascara, and brows. That is my go-to. All right, so for the next item, okay, this is from Laura Mercier, another great brand. This is the Caviar Eye Pencil in the shade Dark Plum. Not a black. I prefer a brown. I've actually really like browns, but the fact that we are getting a different shade, it's great. So, Dark Plum. Let's give this a swatch. Oh, smooth like butter. Maybe it's my lighting, and I don't even know if you can see this on camera. That does not look purple to me. Well, maybe a tiny, tiny, tiny hint. Tiny hint. Maybe you can see it better on camera. I don't know. Like I said, it's my lighting. I would love to see this like in daytime. But I don't know. It was really creamy. I'll definitely be using it. I love eyeliners. Alright, the next item is from Fenty Skin. Okay. This is the Cherry Dub Triple Action AHA Body Scrub. I already know my daughter is going to be wanting this and taking this out of my bathroom. But this sounds like it smells delightful. So, let's see. Oh, it smells like a cherry push pop or something. It smells really good. Yeah. That smells really good. Huge bottle, by the way. Huge. Love that. And the last item, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Okay, first of all, it is a brand that I do love. It is a palette that I had my eye on for a little bit, and then I kind of forgot about it, but I never purchased it, so I'm excited that it's in here. It is the Tarte Juicy palette. I have a lot of Tarte palettes. I love every single one of them. They are some of my go-tos. Oh, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. And the fact that it has dandelions on it. I love that. So pretty. And this, sorry. And the shades, oh, yes, right up my alley. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those, oh, just stunning. So let's do some swatches because I'm excited. Okay, so I definitely want to do this pink, and I want to do this matte pink, and let's go ahead and do the gold, and you know what, let's go ahead and do a dark color, dark brown. So there are the swatches on the fingers, and ooh, I feel like I haven't swatched anything in forever. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see? That is so pretty. I love that. Oh, I love that. This is definitely going in my main drawer. Alright guys, what a fabulous Iconbox. There are so many good hints. Tarte, Fenty Beauty, Laura Mercier, Origins, Bobbi Brown. Like, this is a great box. Like, I am so happy that I was able to receive it, and I think this box is worth it every time I get it. I think it's amazing. So let me know down in the comments below, what was your favorite product out of here? Do you receive this box? And if so, what are you hoping to get? So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.